Before I ask anything, I always want to give first. Our channel offers a great range of infotainment videos on making money in and out of casinos. Many have subscribed already. Click on that red button and ring that notification bell. My subscribers are my friends. Hello my friend, how are you? I'm doing great. I hope the same is with you. If you are new to the channel, on our channel we have Baccarat, Roulette, Craps and Dragon Tiger strategies. We have Developing Winner's Mindset for Casino playlist. We have Money Management series for even money wagers. Remember, to earn more, one must learn more. Knowledge is power. Don't underestimate the power of discipline, self-discipline, consistent self-discipline. The rewards of a disciplined life are great, but they are often delayed until sometime in the future. For example, in few things it can be a period of 1 month, or 6 months or 1 year, or it can depend on the thing that you choose to master, and the efforts that you put. The rewards for the lack of discipline are immediate, but they are minor in comparison to the immeasurable rewards of the consistent self-discipline. The very little percentage of people that are saying Baccarat can't be beaten. It is game of luck. And no money management strategies will not help. Firstly, let me tell you, you are a half-knowledge person who never invested your time and energy to learn something. You always went after chasing money. Your strategies are like double up after every loss and hoping to hit 1 out of every 9 hands that you play. At most, if you win 1 unit, and if you lose everything. These are strategies that you follow and saying we can't win at Baccarat or even money wagers. Yes, it's pretty obvious using those no one can win. If they are doing same as you. Just be willing to learn. Have patience. And finally have a open mind. You don't have to believe anything. Just have a open mind and willingness to learn. Again I'm saying, even in a coin toss game. If you use your human brain, and proper strategies with a stable mind. We definitely can make money. It doesn't take any talent to be a critic. It takes real work to think through an idea and see the world differently from everybody else, articulate it, and then put your reputation on the line and go popularize it. That's work. It's not easy to do, and you have to be willing to be unpopular. There is no reason for me to continue making these videos if not for the couple of people that are passionate to learn. Ultimately their question is that, is there a way to make money consistently with even money wagers at Baccarat, Roulette, Craps or Dragon Tiger? Consistently doesn't mean day by day. If you look back on things from week to week basis or month to month basis, if your bankroll keeps on growing. And even in your worst day the bankroll must not be affected much. That's only possible with your discipline and proven money management and bet selection strategies. Any strategies on a winning shoe or on your winning day, they look very good, but the real test how they perform at the worst possible scenario. That's what makes the strategies great. I would like to answer that in short, yes. Definitely if one learn the skills. Definitely, it's possible with a right bankroll, mathematically proven money management and bet selection. Just focus on the process. If you do it correctly, the end result that you have in your mind is only a limitation. Tell me someone you saw that achieved great things in their own field without putting an effort, time and knowledge into it. Name at least one? So great things take time, but once you acquire them they will stay with you forever. Decided yourself which one you want to be, a consistent winner or consistent loser. 3 things you must keep in your mind. Number 1. If you're losing money month by month or week by week, and you are depending on luck instead of skills, take my advice and stop playing it, or at least till you gain skills to win at them. If you are playing games for fun, then play it in demo apps. I repeat, don't experiment with real money when you lack skills. That is a sure recipe for failure. Point number 2. Never ever use negative progressions. I think I will keep on reminding you guys until it sticks in your mind. If you ever get a chance to talk with skilled players, if you tell them how to went on to double or triple your money in a day, they won't even bother to know how much you made. But the real question is how much you lose on your bad days. If you start playing with no skills, trying to double or triple the bankroll and end up losing the money in a day or two, This is fact with majority of the people in that 2 to 3% actually succeeds. And they think they got the skills and they try to do the same and ending up losing everything. This is what a poor mindset is. Your goals are great, but your efforts are normal in this case. So coming to the real winner, the people with long vision, with a big goals. They take it step by step. They know what it takes to be a consistent winner. They willing to put that few days of effort to achieve that lifetime knowledge. If you are falling for system sellers, the problem is not them, the problem is your mindset. Change your mindset. Never chase anything in life. Do the process correctly, everything will follow. Across the globe, every losing player is only facing problems related to this three things. If we can fix it the right way, then anyone can be out of this vicious cycle of losing, then can ultimately turn into a long-term consistent winner. If someone is able to make money consistently, then their mindset, money management, bet selection strategies, all the three must have been interconnected. In such cases, the risk factor in this game can be brought down to very, very minimal that most majority can never even think of, and people who are able to interconnect all these three factors together are the exact type of people who honestly can be considered as long-term winners. Not the ones that try to make couple of units in every session and ultimately or inevitable lose their whole bankroll in other session. The majority have only two possible cases: either they win couple of units or they lose everything. This is no way going to make anyone a long-term winner. Take my advice and stop playing. You are not just losing your time, but even you're losing your hard-earned money. Either you learn it the right way to do it, or you better off quit the game completely. I would like to share you a bit about the ABDLC, Advanced Baccarat Deep Learning course. This is the schedule that we followed. Just couple of days back we finished the ABDLC. During the course period, one of my students said that these are the exact words. I was so impressed by yesterday's video lesson as, for the first time, I am not afraid of losing hands. In fact, they are protective, so why should one be unnerved? Another student after the course completion, after 25 days of being in course, said that, "Hello John. I've personally purchased a few methods from YouTubers. I don't regret it. Yours is hands down my favorite." Another student said, "First of all, I would like to say thank you for letting me join your course. It was an interesting journey and the work you must have put into this would have been endless. Congratulations. Most of what you are teaching in regards to money management and bet selection has taken me 20 years of reading every book and buying every system that I could get my hands to learn. Having obtained over 1,000 systems. Plus trained with everyone you can think of. On top of playing daily. I believe you have put some of the best money management and bet selections all in one place for people to gain extensive knowledge quickly. The course was very enjoyable and is very economically priced. In the past, I've paid up to $10,000 for courses and strategies in the game of Baccarat that gave me less than 1% of the knowledge that you will gain from ABDLC. Thank you John for your support and shared knowledge." Another student said, "The course is over and I refuse to say goodbye. There is so much I could say about what you have taught me. However, the truth of the matter is, I haven't felt this good about myself and my future in a long time, and that to me is priceless." Hearing all of this from my students, friends, gave me an immense satisfaction. And the player's edge over casinos. As powerful as the casinos may seem to be, you can walk into a casino knowing that you have an edge over the house. As a successful gambler, you have to be able to win more than you lose. What are the tricks you will use to gain an edge over this formidable adversary? Your edge will consist of the following actions. 1. When you are losing, you can quit. 2. When you are winning, you can walk out with the casino's money. 3. You can vary the size of your wagers. 4. You can pick where to play. 5. You can modify your strategy based on table results and conditions. 6. You can use discipline to develop a winning plan and then stick to it. Most players never realize what an advantage these offer. The casino cannot be flexible. It must continue to offer the same games, with the same rules, without the ability to react to changing conditions.